Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. We are living in interesting times. We are living at a time when the northern political elite are fighting because of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The matter has gotten to a head where northern appointees of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have been told in clear terms that if they are not capable, if they are not coming out with their full chest to defend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his policies, even in the presence of other northerners, that they should throw in the towel and leave the government. And one of those that have been told to leave the government if he cannot support the government with his full chest is Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed, the former spokesperson of the Northern Elders Forum. Now, how did this issue come about? How did it come about? It came about when the Minister of State for Defense, who was former governor of Zamfara State, Mohammed Matawalle, called on Hakeem Baba-Ahmed and other political appointees of northern extraction to defend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his government, or quit being part of it. Now, he stated this on Monday in a statement while reacting to a statement by the special advisor on political matters to the president, Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed, on his official Facebook page, following Matawalle's reaction or response to the Northern Elders Forum. You know, recently the Northern Elders Forum issued a statement by their new spokesperson, Abdulaziz Suleiman, saying that the Northern Elders, they are regretting their support or their support for Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2023 presidential election. When they made this statement, Matawalle issued a statement to counter them. It was in response to the statement of Matawalle that Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed exposed himself to the attack that he now got from Matawalle, because Hakeem Baba-Ahmed in his Facebook page stated that he differed with Matawalle, who described the group as political paperweight and a burden to the region. You know, Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed had been the spokesperson of Northern Elders Forum for long, so he couldn't stomach the fact that the group that he belongs to was described as a political paperweight and a burden to the region. So Baba-Ahmed have to, you know, even though he's no longer the spokesperson of the group, but I think his natural instinct made him to react. And he said that Matawalle's statement or description of the group as political paperweight and burden to the region, he said that it was ill-advised, that statement. He said the position of Baba-Ahmed in his reaction to Matawalle's claim said that the position of Matawalle was ill-advised, suggesting that Matawalle could have done a better job in defense of the administration without denigrating the group. But the minister will have none of it, because that response angered Matawalle. He now issued a statement, which is what the subject of this our discussion. He now issued a statement to put Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed in his place, so to say. Now, this is what Matawalle, in his statement, stated to Hakeem Baba-Ahmed and others. Matawalle said, Dr. Baba-Ahmed relationship and affinity with Northern Elders Forum is well known. The fact now is that he is an appointee of the administration as special advisor, and it is incumbent on him to work for the success of the government he is part of, protect and defend the government against unjust and vicious attacks from those who hide under ethnic and other primordial interests to heat up the polity for myopic reasons. It is pertinent to state that every appointee of President Tinubu, including Dr. Baba-Ahmed, owe the government a copious duty to promote, educate, and advance the good work and commendable efforts of the government across all sectors. As an appointee of the government from the north, we must all take a stand, be unequivocal, and be counted in the role of honors for our support and work for the success of the administration which we are serving. This is not the time to keep quiet in the face of intimidation and misrepresentation of the efforts and achievements of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We must stand up to be counted for being part of the government or take our exit. In other words, the Minister of State for Defense, Mohammed Matawalle, is telling Hakeem Baba-Ahmed and others who are not serving Tinubu with their full chest, so to say, local balance, that they should give way. Their job is to defend the government for good or for ill. They cannot stay on defense. So, as the country is under excruciating hardship right now, they should be telling the people that things are okay. As inflation is all-time high and the people cannot afford to buy a bag of rice, including those who are working, because the minimum wage of Nigeria cannot even buy a bag of rice. The job of northern appointees of Tinubu is to say that things are okay. That is what Matawalle is saying. They are to sing the praises of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They are to tell them that things are okay. Even as bandits are terrorizing them, stopping them from going to their farms, for which the insecurity was one of the reasons why Northern Elders Forum said they regretted voting for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They should tell them that the insecurity they are on top of the situation, that the insecurity are being addressed. They cannot afford to keep quiet or be silent. That's what Matawalle is saying. That's what he expects Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed and others to be doing. They can't stay on defense. And anytime groups like Northern Elders Forum attack Tinubu, they should be among the first set of people that will attack them back, describe them in a denigrating way to show that they are irrelevant, so that, yes, they can justify their pay for being in the Tinubu's government. That's what he's demanding of them. Okay. But it is also important that somebody like Hakeem Baba-Ahmed is being attacked this way by the Minister of State for Defense, because Hakeem Baba-Ahmed was also somebody who literally used his position as the spokesperson to come to limelight, spokesperson of NAF, Northern Elders Forum, to come to limelight to the level that he became an appointee of this administration. So he cannot eat his cake and have it. He's an appointee. So he cannot afford to sit on the fence, because his statement that he issued was giving an indication that he felt that the group he belonged to, Northern Elders Forum, are not being regarded highly by Matawalle, and that he should intervene. He has to choose which master to serve. Whether he will serve Tinubu or he serve Northern Elders Forum, he cannot serve both masters. That's what Matawalle is saying. But that is typical of Nigerian politicians. They don't want people who will work in their government with a mind of their own. So if you are a northern politician, your own is to sing the praises of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, even when he is failing and is glaring to even those you are talking to. The government is failing in insecurity. So you go to Zamfara, you go to Katsina, you go to Kaduna, and you tell them that Tinubu is on top of the security situation. But the people are being killed on a daily basis. The people are being kidnapped. They are being abducted, even in their schools. You are not supposed to complain about it. You are supposed to say that things are working fine, because you are in the government. What kind of society, what kind of government is that supposed to be? But that is the way it is in Nigeria. Matawalle has said it the way it is, that this is what they want. And I can tell you for free, the presidency and others will back him. Because that statement, I see it as a personal statement. Because Matawalle is not a senior minister. So he is not issuing that statement as the Minister of Defense. He is a Minister of State for Defense. But he is issuing it as a Minister of State, but as a northerner in the government, who is not happy to see Tinubu being criticized even by northern elite. Because as far as he's concerned, as far as he's in this government, as far as all the northern appointees are in this government, they should see and hear no wrong about Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is the message to northern appointees. I hope that Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed get it clearly and know whether he should continue to serve this government or exit, as Matawalle advised him and others. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.